Back with our example 1 data, and now I'm going to show you how to take the frequency distribution and turn it into a frequency histogram. This is really quick and simple to do. You're going to begin by highlighting your classes and frequencies, including those titles. Next, you're going to go up to the menu bar to Insert, and if you scan across the menu bar, you'll find a picture here in the chart section that's labeled column. And when you press the arrow, you have your choices. We're going to choose 2D column. Now what appears is actually a bar graph and not a histogram. The difference being that in a bar graph there's spaces between the bars. In histogram, the bars should touch. The purpose of this being to be able to see trends in the data. So here's how you take care of that. You're going to right click on any bar in your chart and go to Format Data Series. On the panel that appears on the right, you're going to use the slider to change the gap width to 0. And you can see now my bars touch. I can grab and move the whole chart around. I can make it larger. And of course, just by clicking on it, I can change the color using this paint bucket tab. I can make my bars orange or red. I can also choose to put a line on the outside of them. Whenever you make a histogram, you should always put a correct title on it. So this data represented prescription medical expenses for 30 US adults for 1 year. You want to be as descriptive as possible. Now click on the chart and you'll notice a change up above. You have some options at the top here. You should be on the Chart Design tab and go over, and the first button is Add Chart Element. Go to Add Chart Element and you have axis titles. You always should be putting a title on your X and Y axis. So I'm going to choose primary horizontal first, and these numbers down here were all US dollar amounts. So I'm going to put US dollars. And then on the vertical axis, I'm going to go back to Add Chart Element, choose Axis Title, and go Primary Vertical. And by clicking in that, I can now type a title for this side. Usually we do just label it frequency, but we can get a little more descriptive and indicate that this would be telling us the number of adults. So there you have it. I now have my frequency table and a corresponding frequency histogram. Super easy.